going to be quite loud because I've got both the extension speaker and the panel's onboard speaker connected. You can have both connected and it won't affect the panel in any way. I was just worried because I didn't know if both speakers would be fine, but it turns out both speakers are fine. But it's just quite loud. So yes, both the extension speaker and the panel speaker are quite loud. Is the door contacts. They're just generic door contacts. Yeah. Sticker, I need to cover that one up. The long sticker that was covered by this ADT sticker, which is in really good condition. Again, that's the power supply. It's just a standard British 3-pin plug, rewirable plug though. Not one of those horrible molded plugs, which I absolutely hate with a passion. So program 0123 mem, which is the alarm memory recall. The program 0123. Oh shit! Sorry, I was wrong. Program 0120. Walk test. And then program 012. So yeah, that's this is going to ask for a while because I don't want it to be in shorts format, basically. Yeah, just look at that really nice ADT sticker. Yes, that is the actual ADT phone number. Bellbox design, at least. Well, in terms of a strobe lens, but they're fair. Also, ADT security systems. It's not called that anymore. For ages, ages. It's been ADT 5 Security PLC since 1997. Believe it or not. Yeah, let's put the code. I mean, without extensions, speaker connected, it's really quiet. Well, no, it's not quite. It'll just be the panel speaker, but with both speakers, it's even more unbearable. Even also note it's just the standard 7337E, so it hasn't got so it's not the tamper switch. Anyway, I mean that's pretty much it really for now, until I get a proper ADT bellbox cover and a Vandercraft VSB1 sound bomb, which will go inside the actual panel, and we'll just make it even more unbearable. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.